Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Creator Hub. This powerful platform is your go-to resource for bringing your creative visions to life on Roblox. It serves as a comprehensive dashboard, offering everything you need to develop, publish, and manage your experiences. Whether you are just starting out or are an experienced developer, the Creator Hub provides intuitive tools and a wealth of information to support your journey. It's designed to streamline your workflow and connect you with a vibrant community. Once you log in and navigate to the Creator Hub, you'll find a well-organized dashboard. This central area gives you a quick overview of your projects, including any active experiences and items you are currently developing. On the left side, a clear navigation panel allows you to easily jump between key sections such as Creations, where you manage your games, and Develop, which houses your assets. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is the first step to efficient creation. The Creator Hub seamlessly integrates with Roblox Studio, the primary tool for building your experiences. Within the Hub, you can manage all aspects of your creations, from uploading custom assets like models and animations to configuring detailed game settings. Once your experience is ready, publishing it is a straightforward process, making it accessible to the vast global Roblox community. Remember, you can always update and iterate on your experiences after they are live. The Creator Hub offers several avenues for monetizing your creations, including selling game passes and developer products, and earning through premium payouts. You can track your earnings and analyze your experience's performance using the comprehensive analytics dashboard. This powerful tool provides valuable data on player engagement, retention rates, and overall revenue. Understanding these metrics is crucial for making data-driven decisions to enhance your experiences and grow your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.